La 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 na 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 na. Kanta tayo, guys. So, yung kanta ni Taylor Swift. Taylor Swift. I'm back to December. Ito, You Belong With Me. Na 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 na. You belong with me. You're on the phone, she's upset. Pala. Mali. Okay, start. You're on the phone with your girlfriend, she's upset. She's going off about acting something. Mali. Doesn't get you like I do. I'm in the room. It's a typical Tuesday night. I'm listening to the kind of music she doesn't like. And she'll never know your story like I do. She wears short skirts, I wear t-shirts. She's your captain and I'm on the bleachers, dreaming about the day when you wake up. It's a fit and fine. That's what. If you could see that I'm the one who understands you. Sorry guys. Nabaliw lang. Ito, love story. Hindi ako marunong Hi guys. Shout out po. Nina Navarra, thank you so much for coming in. Coming in. Ang tagal. Ano ba yung, ng love story? Yan. We were both young when I first saw you. I close my eyes and the flashback starts. I'm standing there on a balcony in sunny air. See the lights, see the party, the ball gown. See you make your way through the and say hello.
Saan ba yung ano niya, ahas niya?
Little did I.
Yung word niya.
Wait lang guys Hindi ko din alam kung saan ko nilagay yun. Nilagay ko yung nakota ko magkanda. Nilagay ko yun. Huwag kasi magpaano kasi. Kaya nga. Kasi dito mo lang yung ano. Gusto pa pa maglagay ito ng water. Di ba pa?
Kasi nilagyan ko ng tali ng karton.
So, wait lang guys. Hahanapin. Hindi naman maulan ngayon Guys, mag-stop na ako Thank you po sa mga pumunta. Thank you. Kasi hindi ko mahanapan. Hindi ko maano ko sa.
Mamaya na yun, hanapin. Yung ka muna tayo. Okay na. Hindi na nagamit yung cellphone.
Guys, palike naman guys. Thank you for liking.
Isa nga dyan, isa nga. Ilaro ko muna.
Thank you po.